Hi guys, and welcome to a short video. We're just at the office right now and I'm really happy because we've started to get our computer set up right, so both Beck and I can come in and work. A little bit frustrating. Let me just show you what we've done. So this is now going to be where Rebecca works. As you can see, it's got a nice fresh clean install of Windows 10. What was that, hon?
It's my desk.
It's yours, yeah. The only problem is we're waiting on a Wi-Fi card which should be arriving today. So that it's got a fresh install of Windows on an SSD hard drive, so it's going to be nice and quick. And this is where Becca's going to be working. And over here is where I'm going to be working. And Becca and I were having a conversation that maybe this isn't the kind of...
It's not the kind of computer that should be here.
At the office. Yeah. But I just think it says I'm getting work done. Don't you think? Like, you know, if you're on this...
You're getting work done.
Well, anyone, like, anyone that sits there, like, working with that on the desk,
yeah.
It's like, I'm getting work done, right?
Clearly.
That's what I thought. Yeah. We'll go with that.